Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a fully restored 1968 Chevrolet Camaro convertible. This one has a 327 and the PowerGlide automatic transmission. It's painted in Tuxedo black with the red interior. All right, starting here at the rear of the vehicle, let's check underneath the trunk first. As you can see, the trunk lid is nicely painted, so it's nice and has that nice gloss paint. Inside the trunk, it's all solid. It's nicely painted as well. You can see everything is detailed well here. There's your fuel line there. And we'll close the trunk here. Let's zoom out now and check out that interior. So red interior, it's all brand new. It looks fabulous. It has a black convertible top. It's power as well, and it's brand new. All right, coming back here, you can see the deep gloss paint. It's very, very deep and shiny. Looks great. Coming to the trunk panel, you can see it's got the SS style rear tail spoiler. Looks wonderful. The chrome and bright work is beautiful on this car. Let's zoom in the bumper there. You can see it's all shiny, all the trim here, even the plastic for the lenses there. There's your rear gas cap there. And let's take a look underneath the car. And you can see underneath is detailed just as well. It's all painted gloss black as well. Looks great. We got brand new tires on the car. You can see it's still got the blue on the white letters underneath the car. We have dual exhaust coming right behind the wheels on the car. And let's check out the wheels from the outside. Okay, so it's got the day 2 style wheel. So this is what you would put on right after you get the car. So it's got the American Racing torque thrust wheels on it. It's a mag wheel, it's nice and light, and it's wrapped around in BF Goodrich radial TA tires. A 255/60 R15 in the rear. It's got 4-wheel drum brakes, all detailed well. You can see it's nice, painted nice and gloss black. Even underneath the wheel wells, all nice gloss black. You can really see it when the wheel is off the car. Show you the front wheel here. So again, all brand new. Front tire size is a 235/60 R15, so you got that nice staggered wheel look. Even underneath this fender as well, it's all painted nicely. Let's check out the interior. Okay, so all red interior. It's all been replaced, so it's all brand new. You can see it's nice and crisp. That red is beautiful. There's your window crank. Let's put up the windows just to show you. All the glass is nice and clear. It goes up nicely. We got a Camaro badge here. Even the armrest, nice and tight. Door handle there. I'll show you underneath the door. Nice and solid. Even that's painted up nicely. I'll show you the dash. The dash is new as well. New dash pad. It's painted nicely up there as well. Let's go to the door jambs here. Nice and clean. Your sill plate, body by Fisher, looks great. Nice and clean throughout. And let's check out the rear seat first. Let's fold that seat down. And all new carpet. And we'll scan the seat here. So that red vinyl seats. GM seat belts, as you can see here. Back here, we got the rear window that goes up as well. With the crank, it moves nicely. And we got ashtrays on both sides as well. All important. Look behind the seat, looks great as well. Fold that back down. Camaro glove box here. Open that up. Painted nicely inside. And you got the liner in there. Nice chrome vents there. Again, the carpet looks great. Let's take a look at the seat here. So it's got the bucket seats. And they feel good. There's your seat there. You got the full length console here, so nice sport console. And we'll take a look at that when we get to the other side. All right, let's take a look underneath the car now. On this side here, you can see the exhaust looks great. And again, nicely painted. This is a car you can take to a car show, and make sure you bring those mirrors because wow, does it ever look great underneath as well. It's got 2 mirrors, so a mirror on each side. Got your Camaro script there. And let's spin the car around. So we'll take a look underneath the hood next. All right, we'll get it out in the open here. And underneath the hood, nicely painted, gloss black, looks great. Here's your engine. So it's a 327 small block V8. And it's painted Chevy engine block orange, as it should. You can see the master cylinder looks great there. And just a really, really nice engine compartment. It's paired to a 2-speed PowerGlide automatic transmission that was fully rebuilt. Close that hood now. And let's take a look up here. It's got the SS style hood scoops there. There's your window, the red interior. Again, look at that black paint. You can see everything in the reflection there. And again, a white rally stripe here with the 327 callouts. Goes over the fenders and the nose of the front of the car. Looks great. Here's your front grille. You see the lights look great. The grille's all painted up nicely. Just a pristine car. You got the front spoiler down there, and then underneath here, looks fabulous. All right, let's turn the car around again. Check out the wheels on this side. All right, there's your wheel there. And we'll check out the wheel over here. There's your last one. And coming into the door panel again, same as the other side. Even that looks great. Camaro there. Underneath here. Back here. And we'll scan this way, kind of went opposite there. Fold down that seat. The back of the seat there. There we are. All right. All right, check out the dash over here. Even the visors look great. All your components here. You got the nice wood style steering wheel. There's your pedals down there. And I think we should just hop in the car. All right. Hop in the car, let's take a tour this way. All right, so top is down. Look at this. Beautiful open air there. And you got your windshield wipers here. You got your light controls here, air vent there. Here's your parking brake release, your parking brake. And then we got your brake pedal down there, gas pedal. And underneath there, here is a switch for your power convertible top. Here's your speedometer. Mileage on the car, 40,562 miles. Obviously, mileage is unknown. And then over here, we got your fuel gauge. We got a lighter there. Here's your key, so it has real keys. Remember that back in the day? And then we also have the faux wood grain. That all looks great. All your heat controls. It has a radio and an ashtray. And here's your full-length console. So we got your automatic transmission. Again, it's a PowerGlide, and it's got that horseshoe style shifter. All looks great. Open that up. So that looks great in there as well. Here it's got the spots for your front seat belts to plug into. So that just plugs in here, so you can get to them nice and quick if you want to get in and out. And then you got a little ashtray back here as well. So no shortage of ashtrays in this car. All right, we will start the car up. It starts nice and easy, so watch this. Voila. Let's turn the lights on here. Open this door up now. And I'll give it a couple revs. Alright, so it's cold. It just started up, so you gotta be patient with it. Coming up here, let's put that button now and watch the top. Look at that. Power convertible top. I wasn't lying, and it works beautifully. I'm gonna keep it down because I like the look of it. Down. I'll shut this door now. Let's walk up to the front of the car. Show you the lights. There's your lights on. Looking great. And we'll spin the car around here. Let's get right on here. Show you all the reflection there. Look at this, just like a mirror. Again, it's so deep, this black. It looks so great. See that Corvette, just like a mirror in there. And my hand there. Top out off this thing now and check out the rear lights there. There we are. So here we have it. This is a fully restored 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible. It's got the 327 and the automatic transmission painted in Tuxedo black with the red interior. This is here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.